The most powerful way to think about money. Are you sick and weary of having your money hold you back? Are you prepared to discover the keys to a more prosperous and satisfying life? Come explore the most effective method to think about money with us. If you viewed money as an endless opportunity for plenty and progress rather than as a finite resource, how would your life change? Envision achieving financial freedom and adopting a mindset that enables you to design the life you really want. Are you interested in finding out how to make the transition from scarcity to abundance? Continue reading to learn useful tips and ideas that could completely change the way you interact with money. The transition from a mindset of scarcity to abundance signifies a significant change in the way people see and use money. People who have a scarcity mindset frequently feel limited in their options and view money as an elusive and scarce resource, which can cause feelings of competition, fear, and worry. To shift to an abundant mindset, one must acknowledge the innate abundance present in the universe and hold the belief that there are limitless opportunities for generating riches and achieving prosperity. Those who have an abundance mindset concentrate on abundance rather than what is lacking. They see opportunities everywhere and feel empowered to seize them. This change in perspective affects people's behavior and decision-making in addition to how they view money. A scarcity mindset causes people to hoard goods, be afraid to take chances, or pass up investing possibilities for personal development out of a fear of failing or losing money. Conversely, people who have an abundance mindset handle money with courage, transparency, and a readiness to take measured chances. They see abundance as a shared good and think they can generate riches and abundance by working together, being resourceful, and being persistent. Furthermore, adopting an abundance mindset instead of a scarcity one promotes a more empowered and positive connection with money. Financial limitations do not confine or limit those who have an abundance attitude. Instead, they foster a sense of possibilities and freedom. They celebrate their accomplishments, learn from disappointments, and develop an attitude of thankfulness for what they have. People may escape the cycle of scarcity and scarcity thinking by embracing this way of thinking, which will enable them to reach their greatest potential in terms of both financial success and personal fulfillment. To expand possibilities means to acknowledge the limitless chances for prosperity and abundance rather than seeing wealth as a finite resource. These people realize that wealth may be created and shared in countless ways, as opposed to believing in a fixed pie where one person's gain is equal to another's loss. People who have an abundant mindset try to increase their share of the pie by working together and using their resources, abilities, and creativity to create wealth that benefits others in addition to themselves. The conviction that teamwork and collaboration have immense power is essential to opening up new opportunities. People who have an abundance attitude regard people as possible partners and allies in their quest of achievement rather than as rivals. Through the cultivation of relationships based on mutual respect, trust, and common objectives, they generate chances for synergy that are advantageous to all parties. They may access a wide range of resources, ideas, and assistance thanks to this collaborative mindset, which increases their capacity to generate wealth and plenty on a large scale. Furthermore, greater opportunities foster an innovative and ever-expanding perspective. People who have an abundance attitude welcome change, flexibility, and experimentation, rather than sticking to conventional ideas of success or limitations. In order to achieve their objectives, they don't hesitate to question the existing quo, look into novel possibilities, and take calculated risks. They open up new doors for wealth creation and personal fulfillment by embracing uncertainty and pushing past preconceived notions of what is possible. In the process, they help to create a more prosperous and plentiful future for themselves and others. Money is no longer only a means of exchange. When it is seen as a tool for progress, it can be a strong catalyst for both individual and society advancement. This is a fundamental shift in perspective. Adopting this perspective enables people to wisely use financial resources for both the larger good and their own prosperity. People with this perspective understand the transforming power of money to spur innovation, generate opportunities, and bring about positive change in the world, as opposed to hoarding riches or focus just on personal gain. The ability of money to encourage investment in oneself and others is a crucial feature of money as a tool for progress. This kind of thinking recognizes the value of ongoing education, skill enhancement, and self-improvement as a way to take advantage of new chances and succeed more. They prioritize investing in their own growth and potential, whether via education, training, or personal development efforts, realizing that these investments pay out in the long run in terms of career progress and personal contentment. Furthermore, the use of money as a vehicle for growth goes beyond personal enrichment to have a wider impact on society. Individuals that possess this perspective acknowledge the connection between social welfare and economic success and want to utilize their financial resources for addressing urgent societal issues and fostering constructive transformation. This could be giving to charitable causes that share their beliefs and aspirations for a better society, investing in sustainable projects, or endorsing social entrepreneurs. In addition to having a beneficial ripple effect, they develop a sense of fulfillment and purpose in their financial journey by using their financial resources for social good. Appreciation and gratitude are fundamental cornerstones of a prosperous and positive outlook on money. People who practice thankfulness and appreciation see the value and richness in their current financial circumstances rather than dwelling on what they lack or always wanting more. This mentality change enables individuals to be more satisfied and pleased with their assets, no matter how wealthy they are at the moment. Through gratitude and recognition of their current possessions, individuals establish a constructive feedback loop that draws further wealth into their existence. Gratitude and appreciation exercises also help people develop an abundant consciousness, which makes them more aware of the abundance of opportunities and benefits in their environment. They learn to value the non-financial components of prosperity, such as relationships, experiences, and personal development, as opposed to concentrating just on material wealth. By being more grateful for the abundance in all aspects of their existence, people can create a richer and more satisfying life with the aid of this increased awareness. Furthermore, feelings of appreciation and thankfulness are potent counterbalances to the unfavorable emotions such as jealousy, fear, and anxiety that are frequently connected to wealth. People can alleviate the tension and anxiety that frequently come with money worries by turning their attention to thankfulness, which promotes serenity and contentment. They can handle financial difficulties more skillfully and gracefully thanks to their emotional resilience, which also gives them the ability to keep a good attitude in the face of hardship. In the end, people can create a more plentiful and satisfying relationship with money and life in general by adopting appreciation and thankfulness as guiding concepts in their financial journey. Positive influences have a significant impact on how people think about money, behave with it, and approach making financial decisions. One's financial well-being can be greatly impacted by surrounding oneself with positive and encouraging people who live out ideals like abundance, charity, and financial responsibility. Mentors, peers, or role models who provide direction, inspiration, and encouragement on the road to financial success are examples of positive influences. Through seeing and assimilating these beneficial impacts, people can foster an abundance mindset, establish sound financial practices, and conquer obstacles with resiliency and resolve. Positive effects can promote a feeling of belonging and teamwork, offering a network of assistance that enables people to realize their dreams and ambitions related to money. In the world of finance, risk and opportunity are essentially synonymous and two sides of the same coin. Risk offers a chance for development, creativity, and the generation of riches, even though it can also arouse sentiments of uncertainty and anxiety. Taking a chance is going against one's comfort zone and exploring the unknown, whether it be by making calculated financial decisions, investing in new projects, or pursuing entrepreneurial activities. Effective risk recognition and assessment enables people to spot possibilities that fit with their objectives and values and take advantage of the chance for higher profits and returns. Furthermore, acknowledging risk as a natural part of the financial environment gives people the ability to handle uncertainty, make well-informed decisions, and overcome obstacles with flexibility and resilience, all of which open up new doors for wealth and success. A contented and plentiful perspective regarding finances is contingent upon ongoing development and contribution. Those who are dedicated to continual growth recognize that their road towards personal and professional development is never ending, and they make it their life's work to increase their knowledge, abilities, and experiences. Their commitment to personal development not only improves their own lives, but also makes it possible for them to meaningfully impact other people and society at large. People can have a meaningful legacy, have a beneficial impact on their communities, and bring about long-lasting change by making the most of their abilities, connections, and resources. In this sense, ongoing development and contribution turn into sources of meaning and fulfillment, pointing people in the direction of increased individual fulfillment and group well-being. Subscribe now to access expert advice, practical strategies, and inspiring stories that will transform your relationship with money and help you achieve your financial goals.